All right, my friends. So one really quick video, I hope, quick video. I'm trying out the Akaso with a different little handle. I normally use a GorillaPod, but I'm thinking maybe it's the GorillaPod that's causing all the weird little clicky sounds. So I'm trying this little one that I normally use actually for what do I use it for? My Sony cameras. It's a little Sony, like a Sony Alpha little handle deal. I'll show you a picture here if you want to see it. But to see if that helps it at all with the audio, because maybe it's just something rattly there, you know. So not a lot of footage, but enough for you guys to get an idea if that is what's causing the weird rattle. Because if so, that's kind of an easy fix. All right. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go listen to the footage, and then we'll show you what I was using, and we'll show you what I am currently using. All right, 2 seconds, guys.
Okay, so we're back downstairs now. We've shot this. You've seen it. I think that audio is better. Yes. So this is what I was shooting it with, and it can be anything really. This is just what I had handy. So basically, it was like this. But really, when I move this, listen. Like there's no like ticky sounds, right? So this has got a nice firm connection. Just make sure everything's tight, right? And that's something in the GorillaPod. The GorillaPod was causing my issues. Ready? Here's my GorillaPod that I was using, and I think it may have to do with this plate because everything else is like super tight. But listen, it's the plate, I think. Ready? You guys can hear that, yeah? Yeah, so that was enough when I was walking to cause that sound to get into the Akaso camera, and for it to constantly be hearing this tick, tick, tick. So, as a warning for all you Akaso Brave 8 shooters, or we're thinking about this camera, mic picks out pretty good. The actual super smooth steady, actually really quite good. I'm very impressed with it. But just kind of be aware, and I would take this or mount it to whatever like tripod or whatever you're going to mount it with, and then do a little more of a over exaggerated movement than you normally would, just to see if you're getting any of that loosenessy sound coming through in here, because the mics are sensitive, really sensitive up close. Seems to just want to, yeah. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I thought I'd throw this one up because I threw the other one up this morning with the stabilization test, but there was that horrible knocky sound. Yeah, this seems to be the culprit. All right, my friends, I'm out. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all the cool stuff, and that's it. Later, my friends.